Archana. A warm welcome to this quick yoga session where I will show you 5 asanas when done correctly with proper breathing technique can soothe your nervous system, release tension, calm your mind and reduce stress. The first asana that we're going to be doing is child's pose or Balasana, which mimics the fetal position. This provides comfort and relaxation. So we're going to begin by sitting with our knees nice and wide, hips resting on our heels. So sitting in this wide pose helps to accommodate the abdomen and chest. For any reason, you can't bring your forehead towards the earth. You can always use a block or you can use multiple pillows so that your head rests there. Relax your shoulders and hands come to rest here. This should feel very relaxing. Relax your shoulders, roll your shoulders, forehead here, hands come to rest next to you. Breathe in, breathe out. You can stay here for about 2 to 3 minutes. Other way here is allow your belly to rest on your thigh, chest is resting there. This pose releases tension in the lower back, neck and shoulder, and the forward fold of the body in child pose soothes the nervous system. It's excellent to reduce stress, calm the mind and release tension. Now we're going to do Supta Konasana or the bound angle pose or reclining bound angle pose. Bring the soles of your feet to touch. Bring your hips towards your heel. Your knees may be high up here. You can again use blocks or pillows. Anything works. You can always use a pillow. Lie down on the mat. Palms come to rest next to you. This opens up our pelvic region or groin, inner thighs and chest. The gentle stretch to the inner thigh and groin helps to release any tension stored in the hips, often associated with trapped emotion and stress. So when you come out of this pose, take the support of your hand, bring your thighs to touch, open your feet wide, bring your knees to touch, tilt your pelvis, relax your lower back and your abdomen. And always turn to one side when you want to come out of the pose. The next one is Matsya Kridasana or flapping fish pose, wherein we are lying down on one side. If you're a side sleeper, you will know this. Bend the top leg. In my case, my right leg is extended, left knee is bent. Stack your palms one over the other. Rest your forehead. Wherever you need pillow, you can always place maybe beneath your knee. You can always extend the right hand, rest your forehead or the side of your head and face on the mat. You need to adjust. Stay here for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Now we're going to be doing legs up the wall pose. Place your mat against the wall and sit next to the wall. Come to lie on your mat. Raise your legs up the wall. Remember to bring your seat to as close to the wall as possible. Try and place your hips against the wall, arms like the letter T, or bring it to lie next to you. When we elevate the legs in this asana, it promotes the blood flow back to the heart. So it's a great pose, especially if you've been on your feet all day. It also stretches the hamstrings and helps relieve tension. This position encourages deep relaxation and has a calming effect on the nervous system. Coming off the pose, bend your knees, roll to one side and then slowly come. Final pose is Savasana. Now to lie down on your back, legs to the corners of the mat. Just let your heels come to the corners of the mat, legs flop to the side, hands come to rest next to you, palms in receiving position. If you want, you can drop your head to either side or let the tip of your nose be pointing towards the ceiling. This is one pose I recommend that you do every time after your yoga practice. Stay in it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Bring all your awareness to your breath, just noticing the air moving in through your nose and out through your nose. And it's okay to be distracted. Every time that happens, bring your awareness back to your breath. This pose not just helps in reducing stress by thinking about complete relaxation in your body, but also you have these pressure points all along your spine and the back of your head. This stimulates that to release any tension in your back body. Stay here, inhaling and exhaling. Thank you so much for joining me in today's session. I would love to hear from you amongst these 5 poses, which was your favorite. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel, and if you thought this class was valuable, please like and share. Namaste.